In this video, we will discuss the Iluvium price forecast for 2022 and beyond. Please bear in mind that you should take this and any other prediction with a grain of salt, since predicting anything is a thankless task, let alone predicting the future of a novel, highly volatile financial asset like Illuvium. Now, let's head into it. Before we delve deep into the Illuvium price prediction and answer questions if ILV is a good investment or not, why will ILV succeed or fail, or why will Illuvium price rise or drop, let's quickly throw a glance at what Illuvium is. But before that, welcome back to your own channel, Crypto World, where you'll get all the crypto knowledge. And yes, do remember that this video is not financial advice, so do your own research before investing anywhere. So without any further delay, let's get started. What is Illuvium? Illuvium is one of the latest crypto games to enter the market, but it is showing promise to investors. The play-to-earn experience gives users a chance to explore the sci-fi world of Illuvium, where they can battle and collect NFT creatures. Players have the role of hunter as they travel across lands and capture monsters called Illuvials. There are multiple ways for users to earn, including through completing levels, battling others, and winning tournament prizes. The brothers Aaron and Kieran Warwick are Illuvium's co-founders. Both are based in Australia. Kieran had previously worked for the payment provider Blueshift, while Aaron had studied computer engineering and physics at the University of Wollongong. Let's talk a bit about Illuvium's gameplay. The game mechanics of Illuvium do have a striking resemblance to Axie Infinity, a successful crypto game that is also built around users collecting unique NFT creatures. However, Illuvium's interest in developing an AAA game that is one that is high budget and high definition is setting it apart. There are two main factors to help it achieve this. The open-world aspect of Illuvium is where players explore and interact with an impressive 3D environment. As white paper says, for some players, the draw of the game will be traveling across the world and collecting Illuvials. This can be incredibly lucrative, especially if a player manages to capture something rare and powerful. The battle arena is more combat-focused, allowing hunters to level up their Illuvials and gain experience. The white paper says, these players will queue in the ranked arena where they can be matched with a random opponent of a similar skill, or call out other players in ad hoc wagered matches in the Leviathan arena. Other players will be able to spectate and wager on the outcomes. At the time of writing, the game is in beta, meaning only a select number of people can play a restricted version of the game. The website described this current game mode as battle against waves of Illuvials, stand strong in the onslaught, and turn the tide of the ambush in your favor in the PvE Auto-Battler survival mode. Now, before we get into its price prediction, which is its token's price prediction, let's see what is its token. The ILV Token. At the heart of the Illuvium crypto game is its ILV Token. This cryptocurrency is used to reward players and motivate them to continue playing. Another reason for investors to hold onto the token is the governance features, which allow holders to have a say in the game's future through its DAO. Illuvium is venturing into the world of DeFi as well. Investors can stake their ILV for yield farm rewards. However, these are locked for a year before they are available to be withdrawn. Stakers will also have the option to immediately withdraw SILV tokens instead. These are used in-game and can be used to purchase items. It is important to note that SILV is not a cryptocurrency, as it is not stored on a blockchain and it can therefore not be withdrawn. And finally, Illuvium's price prediction. ILV Price Prediction 2022. A seamless approach to this currency may be found on many websites and forums. In the opinion of this prediction platform, Illuvium will steady at its current price for a very long time to come. By 2022, the ILV is expected to be worth a maximum value of $420.06. The minimum price can go up to $365.92 if the market gets bullish. Illuvium Price Prediction 2023. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today, it is not easy to forecast and keep up with the current pricing. Many crypto analysts come into play in this regard. The pricing forecasts are correct for the mentioned years. Crypto consumers are still concerned about the crypto bans and new restrictions. Illuvium price may cross $633.14 if the market sees a good bull run in 2023. Given that it is expected to be held by long-term investors, its average price for 2023 will be around $570.42. ILV Price Prediction 2024. The Illuvium value will increase because of the efforts of the network developers and community investors. Therefore, the calculated price for the year 2024 is bullish. ILV was anticipated to touch a maximum price level of $956.75 by the end of 2024, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is highly optimistic that the Illuvium's future will ultimately grow. Therefore, the predicted average price of ILV will be around $797.97 to $820.79 is expected in 2024 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the ILV's maximum price ranges from $797.97 to $956.75 for 2024. Iluvium Price Prediction 2025. ILV have huge potential, with certain collaborations and innovations may increase the number of users in a potion. If the market concentrates on investing in Illuvium, the price might rise much higher. By 2025, it can reach a maximum value of $1,355.99. It is expected that the ILV will turn around a little bit if the market goes down. The year 2025 can end with an average price of $1,192.64 with a minimum price of $1,159.81 and the maximum price of $1,355.99. ILV Price Prediction 2026. There are signs that the crypto market is about to enter a new age. Certain that the long-term price prediction for ILV's price will soar since there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2026 can end with an average price of $1,733.11 and a minimum price value of $1,685.40. The maximum price is expected to be trading around $1,990.36. Illuvium Price Prediction 2027. In 2027, with more adoption and partnerships between other important blockchain networks, the price of Illuvium would skyrocket. The maximum trading price may reach $2,897.01 in 2027. The price ranges are going to be very trendy if we keep it that way. If everything goes well, we can expect an average price of $2,617.74 with a maximum price of $2,897.01 for 2027. ILV Price Prediction 2028. For long-term Illuvium price predictions, basic analysis is essential. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers a few. The digital economy's autonomy makes it ideal. As DApps and stablecoins develop, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a chance that the average price of ILV will rise to about $4,150.40 by 2028 if more investors are attracted to the idea. For 2028, the year can end with a maximum price of $4,412.27 with a minimum price level of $4,019.52. ILV Price Prediction 2029. ILV will be seen as a better option, and with a huge community, Illuvium price will touch new highs. The price fluctuations are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2029, the price of Illuvium will be almost $5,863.53. The maximum price that we can get is $6,866.16. Illuvium average price forecast at the end of 2029 can be around $6,029.54. A huge price turnover is expected within the range defined by the crypto market. Illuvium Price Prediction 2030. It appears that by 2030, Illuvium ILV prices will have reached a level similar to the previous all-time high. By 2030, we may expect an average price of $8,675.26. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted the maximum price of Illuvium could be up to $10,183.98 in 2030. Of course, there are chances that the market will dump after a long bull run, and it is normal for cryptocurrency market. So this was all for today's video. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video tomorrow. Until then, peace out.